The math magician's tricks boost speaking skills. In the heart of bustling Tokyo, amid its towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, lived a man known as Ron Watson. Ron wasn't your typical math enthusiast. He had a knack for turning numbers into captivating stories and mesmerizing tricks that left everyone in awe. Ron's journey began in his modest apartment, where every spare moment was spent unraveling the mysteries of mathematics. His walls, adorned not with posters of celebrities but with intricate math formulas and diagrams, reflected his deep passion for numbers. To Ron, each equation was like a puzzle waiting to be solved, a gateway to understanding the world in a unique way. One fateful evening, while working late into the night, Ron stumbled upon a profound realization: math wasn't just about calculations, it could enhance one's ability to communicate effectively. He noticed that patterns in numbers could mirror the rhythm and flow of speech, and that solving problems often required clear articulation of ideas. Inspired by this revelation, Ron set out to share his insights with the world. The next day, Ron crafted a plan. He started small, inviting a few friends over for a casual evening of math and conversation. He demonstrated how breaking down complex problems into simpler steps could help them organize their thoughts and communicate more clearly. His friends were astonished at how easily they could express themselves after these exercises. Word of Ron's extraordinary talent spread quickly through Tokyo. Soon, people from all walks of life, students seeking academic prowess, professionals aiming to excel in presentations, and even curious bystanders, flocked to Ron's doorstep to witness his mathematical marvels firsthand. His once quiet apartment buzzed with activity, filled with the eager chatter of those hungry to learn his secrets. Ron's teaching style was anything but conventional. Instead of dry lectures, he spun enchanting tales around mathematical concepts, demonstrating how numbers could breathe life into language and make communication not just clearer but more engaging. He used real-world examples, like calculating the speed of Tokyo's famous Shinkansen trains or the probability of finding a rare item in a bustling market, to show how math applied to everyday life. One of Ron's most beloved tricks involved transforming mundane math problems into lively debates. He would challenge his students to argue for or against a solution, encouraging them to articulate their reasoning with clarity and confidence. In one memorable session, Ron posed a problem about dividing a treasure map into equal parts. The debate grew heated as students passionately defended their methods, learning to present their arguments persuasively. Through these exercises, Ron believed his students could harness the power of mathematical thinking to express themselves fluently in any situation. As the days turned into months, Ron's reputation as the math magician grew exponentially. His classes became a sanctuary for eager minds hungry for knowledge and empowerment. Each session concluded not with applause, but with heartfelt gratitude from those whose speaking skills had blossomed under Ron's guidance. One young woman, initially too shy to speak in front of others, found her voice through Ron's teachings and went on to become a successful public speaker. For Ron, the true magic lay in the transformative impact he had on his students' lives. Beyond the realm of numbers and equations, he saw himself as a catalyst for personal growth and self-discovery, igniting a passion for learning that transcended traditional boundaries. He cherished the letters and messages he received from former students, each one a testament to the confidence and skills they had gained. And so, in the heart of bustling Tokyo, Ron Watson continued to weave his spells of numbers and words, inspiring a generation to embrace the beauty of math and speak confidently in their own unique voices. His apartment became a symbol of hope and transformation, where anyone could discover the magic within themselves. The moral of Ron's story is a testament to the power of passion and creativity. It teaches us that by approaching learning with enthusiasm and applying it in unexpected ways, we can uncover hidden talents within ourselves and inspire others to embark on their own transformative journeys. Just like Ron, we can all become magicians in our own right, using our unique skills to make a difference in the world.